In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PlayStation 5 to Samsung Odyssey G9. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up any Samsung Odyssey G9 model that you have with your PlayStation 5. This is going to work for the standard panel Odyssey G9. This is going to work for the OLED version or frankly any other Odyssey monitor that you have. The process is basically the same. All that you have to do is grab the proper cable. Of course, make sure that the power adapter is connected into the monitor first, so usually this will be a big power brick that goes into any power outlet, and as long as it is properly connected, it will give the monitor power. Now, to set it up with your PlayStation 5, like I said, you will be using a proper cable. The cable is going to be HDMI. So, since the PlayStation 5 doesn't feature a DisplayPort cable, HDMI is going to be the only option remaining. If you look at the back of your monitor, you will be able to find plenty of ports, including HDMI in 1 and HDMI in 2. It doesn't matter which one you pick, I recommend just picking the port 1 to make sure that everything is in order. So all that you have to do is plug one end of the HDMI cable into the back of your Odyssey G9. And then the other end is going to go into your PlayStation 5. So if you look at the back of your PlayStation 5, you will be able to find the HDMI port right above the power adapter port. So all that you have to do is plug the cable in here. So the cable is essentially going to be going from the PlayStation 5 into the back of your Odyssey G9 monitor. And with this done, you simply have to power on your Odyssey G9 and then change the source into HDMI. Immediately upon doing this, and as long as the PlayStation 5 has been powered on, you will be able to see it on the HDMI source. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 5 to Samsung Odyssey G9. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.